Okay, so this is the new Crown Zenith Elite Trainer box, and we are going to open it today. Inside this box is 10 Crown Zenith booster packs. We've got sleeves, we've got energy cards in a bundle, we've got some dice, we've got all the other usual bits and bobs, dividers, that kind of thing. So, here we go. Okay, so pack 1. Right, I've not looked at these yet, so I don't know if I should be pushing a few cards to the back or to the front or what. So we've got Energy Retrieval, we've got Shinx, Larvesta, Poenard, Whalmer. Oh, what's this? Keldeo. Oh, that looks amazing. So what is that? That's a GG. Let's find out what a GG is. So it's not a trainer gallery, it's a something else gallery. Okay, I'm going to find out what a GG means. Put that there. Then we've got a Yanmega as the rare. We've got a V-Star token. Got a Solrock, some trekking shoes, a Matang, and then a code card. Okay, so no reverse holo in that, but we did get a pretty spangly looking Keldeo. That's a great looking card. Okay, so we've got a code card, and we're 1, 2, 3, I think. Okay, so we've got a Lairon, Friends in Sinnoh, Gloom, a Starly, a Scyther, a Pokeball, a Yungoos, some kind of crazy looking ferret, an Execute, oh, reverse holo, Crushing Hammer, a Volcarona, and an energy card. Okay, pack 3 of 10. First pack had an amazing pull in it. The last, oh, there's something spangly in there. I just saw a lot of shininess. Right, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we've got an electric, got a Lost Vacuum, a Great Ball, a Snorunt, a Rockruff, a Tangela, a Boltoy, a Galarian Meowth, an Aggron, that's the reverse holo. Oh, I can see something shiny. What is it? Zamazenta V-Star, and then an energy. That's really fancy looking. It's a great card. Look at that. Okay, this is pack 4 of 10. So the first pack and the third pack had some absolutely had big pulls. God damn you, black up. So we had some really big cards in those. So right, so I'm gonna go thingy card 1, 2, 3. I think last one. This should be an energy card if I've done it right. Yay! Right. Okay. So friends from Hisui. This time we had friends from Sinnoh, I think before. So Carnivine, Lost Vacuum again, Pawniard again, a Seal, Rockruff again, Aaron, Riolu. Oh, look at this, a V-Star. Leafeon. Oh, that's a great looking card. Leafeon V-Star. And Bell Blossom for the rare. That is a lovely card. So that's the second V-Star. So far we only had one pack. Didn't have something massive and spangly in it. That is really shiny, and it's textured as well. That's a great looking card. Or big hit, honestly. I had one pack that merely had sorry, I'm bashing the camera there. We only had one pack that had just a reverse holo in it. So this should be the energy card if I've done it right. Yeah. Okay. Okay, friends in Haizui. Carnivine, Lost Vacuum. This is very much like the last set. Love Disc, Chatot, Yanmar, Pawniard again, Cricketot, and Pincurchin for the reverse holo, and then Volcarona again for the rare. Okay, this is pack 6. So far, I've been very impressed. We've had some big hits. So, let's have a look. So, code card, then 1, 2, 3 normal cards, and an energy. Okay, here we go. So, Solrock, Crocorock, Luxio, Salandit, Energy Search, Grubbin, Skrelp. Oh, see, I know maybe some people really like the artwork. I've seen some cards with this artist, and some of them look okay, but some of them just really don't do it for me. A Wooloo. Okay, and then there's the Yan Mega Rare Reverse Holo, and the rare is a Dragalge. Cool. Okay, so no badass pull in that one, but still decent. Okay, on to pack 7. So pretty much 50-50. I think we've had 4 big hits and 3 just kind of normal reverse holo packs. So 1, 2, 3 cards to the front, and then an energy card over there. Okay, we got Luxio again, Trekking Shoes, Shaman, Yungoos, chaotic looking otter thing with a Donald Trump hairdo. Fucking look at the state of that. Cherubi, Execute, Emolga. Okay, Graveler for the reverse holo. That's pretty decent. And then Luxray for the rare. Cool. Okay, so pack 8 of 10. Made a right mess of opening this one. Come on, okay. And the code card, which is fine. So we've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so no energy card in this, and we've got instead a token jobby. Okay, that's a good sign, because the last time we had one of those, we got probably the best card so far. I can't remember which one it was, but it's pretty good. So I'm hopeful. We are due, given the number we had to begin with, we are due a decent card in this set. So we've got Energy Switch, Trekking Shoes, Lunatone, Potion, Galarian Mr. Mime, Sunken, Coughing. Oh, that just opened it. An Oddish, and then a Miltank. Not seen that before. Oh, there's another one. But wait, there's more. So we got a Miltank and a Stoutland V. It's like some kind of West Highland Terrier Pokemon. Maybe a Yorkshire Terrier. West Highland Terrier. Some kind of terrier. A Poke Terrier. Nice. Okay, pack 9 out of 10. So the last pack was pretty amazing because we've got 2 special cards in it instead of just 1 or none. So let's lob that over there. So we got code card, 1, 2, 3 cards to the front, and then an energy card. Okay, so let's kick off. We've got Lunatone, Solrock, Rare Candy. It's not even a rare. How can Rare Candy not be rare? An Aaron, Riolu, a Starly, a Scyther, a Pokeball. Oh, and a Fancy Energy. So that's a bit like some of the... I know the Japanese sets had some Fancy Energy. There's some funny looking lines on it though. It's a bit grabby looking. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but there's some big stripes up it. And then a Lipard for the rare. Nice looking card. Okay, this is the last pack. Pack 10 of 10. I've had some really good pulls actually. I've not had any that I'm aware of that are massive cards, but we've had some really good cards. So we had a V, we've had a few of these sort of gallery cards. So, just look a bit mangled on that one. Right, so we got 1, 2, 3 cards to the front and an energy card. Yes, right. Oh wow, it's a pretty cool looking card. A Salazzle, a Dusclops, a Matang, a Love Disc, a Chatot, a Yanma, Pawniard, Bidoof, and a Helioptile for the reverse hollow, and oh cool, a Zarude standard rare hollow rare. Okay, so not bad, not bad, not as good as, it's better than most of the packs, but not as good as the really good ones. Right, okay, time to do a little roundup of all the cards now. My one. So what I got was a massive stash of commons and uncommons, a handful of rares. I got 1 hollow rare, 1 energy, a load of 6 or so reverse hollows, and then for the big hitting cards, so I got a Miltank, a Stoutland V, a Leafeon V-Star, really pleased with that, it's cracking artwork, a Zamazenta V-Star, pretty cool as well, and I've got a Keldo, which was the, oh sorry, Keldeo, which is another one of the gallery cards, and then that's the kind of box topper promo card that comes with it, which is the Lucario V-Star. So let's have a look. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 6 kind of big hits, I would say.